Hello and welcome back to the channel again, guys. In this video we're working on this VW Polo. It's a 1 litre petrol and we've got engine management light on and we have this. So long story short, I'm going to show you where to find this fault code. So the P013100 bank 1 sensor 1 low voltage. Now on this engine, this is just a little kind of show you thing, in other words. It's this sensor here. So at the back of the engine, if you look here, this is the wiring, that one there. Now, they are known for it to go. It's not only just this vehicle, they are known for it to go. What you can do is a DIY job. Buy an OEM original, don't buy used or second hand, please, for the sake of it being cheap, because it does have an effect on the fueling system and whatnot and the performance as well. Recommendation would be buy OEM genuine. And you can't buy the sockets. I know some of you might not know, but there is an O2 sensor socket on Amazon you can buy. If I don't forget, I'll put the link in. And then just some ratchet, just open it. It's literally plug and play. And once you do, you can certainly use a diagnostic machine to reset, because I don't think it does reset itself. So you probably definitely need something similar to this. And once you do, just drive it and that's it. Job's a good one. But the P013100 and the P003600 is what's causing it, really. Sometimes it could be this one as well, which is the one further down. But most likely this triggers, and then it triggers this one as well.